Let's talk about Chainlink and do some price analysis. So hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to today's video. First up, please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified when I'm going to be pushing out new videos. And make sure you are in my Telegram group. The link is in the description, and the pinned comment is the Crypto Troops. We're getting quite an active crypto community over there, so if you have any questions about anything related to crypto, then drop in that chat and we can talk crypto and talk about Chainlink if you want, because that is today's video. We're going to have a look at some key statistics first. We'll start off on CoinMarketCap, run over where we're getting all the trading, and then we'll jump over to TradingView and we'll do a bit of a technical analysis. We'll plot some key areas of support and resistance, and we'll have a look at some entry points if we have any. I know we are in a bit of a bullish mode now. Bitcoin's been flying high. Some altcoins have started to push up a bit. We have had a little retracement, but I do think that we are overdue some massive gains. And I do think that Chainlink, Ethereum and some of the other DeFi coins are going to lead the charge eventually. We are well overdue an alt season, and let's prepare ourselves for that just in case it does happen sooner than we think. So Chainlink, which is ticker Link, is currently ranked number 5 out of all cryptocurrencies. We have a total supply of 1 billion, and out of those in circulation we currently have 392.5 million. So you could say that's around 40% of the supply is in circulation. We're getting a 24-hour volume of $1.6 billion, and the market cap today, which is, what date are we on? Don't know. It's about the 19th, I think it's the 19th of November. It is $5.1 billion, so it has got a fair bit of money behind it. The coin price, or should I say token, as it in the ERC20 token, is $13.18. It is showing we are around 1.76% down on today's trading, but that does not matter. We do know that crypto is volatile. If we look where we're getting predominantly most at $1.6 billion worth of volume, we can have a look at market pairs here. And you can see we are listed on a lot of places. I'm guessing there's going to be an extra list. Just moving down. So yeah, you can load more. There's at least 400 tradable pairs an exchange where you can get Link. If you need to get some Link, if you want to get some Link, it is easy to get. We are all the big ones. Binance, Coinbase Pro. There's a couple on here that I've not heard about. BTC2, never heard about that to be honest, but it's getting a fair bit of volume through it. Mexo, Bitstamp, LA Token. Pretty much every exchange you've heard of, you can get Link. Same as BTC, XRP and Ethereum. All the top ones you can get pretty much anywhere. If you look at the chart, we have had an all-time high over the last few months. It did lead the charge on the DeFi sector, and if we just scroll down and we have a look at the all-time high, and it was $19. Can you see across my head? Yeah, $19.85 on August the 16th, 2020. And just say that the all-time low was 12 cents. So if you managed to get some back in 2017, 2018, whenever we've been on pretty much anywhere around here, if you bought some Chainlink around here, then you'd have been probably sat on a yacht somewhere enjoying some nice profits. So that is a key statistics of Chainlink. We'll jump over to TradingView now and we'll do a bit of technical analysis, not too in-depth, but just a broad spectrum of what could happen and some key levels to target if you're looking for an entry or even if you're looking to trade it. Right, so here we have Chainlink versus Tether on the Binance chart on the monthly time frame. What I'll do is I start off on the monthly, work my way down to a daily, weekly to daily, and then plot some support and resistance levels and look where we could potentially buy in. So what I'm going to do first is mark up the all-time high, and we do know it was, I mean, we did hit around $20.14 up here. I mean, it's slightly different on CoinMarketCap, but we will go with what it says on Binance as somebody actually traded it at that price. So that is the all-time highs there. We'll just mark it up, and that will give us a target in the future, because in my opinion, all-time highs will be broken, and that's not just Chainlink, that's across a lot of altcoins. So we'll start at the top and work our way down and plot some support and resistance levels, and this will give you a good idea to how I plot levels and also where to potentially target if you are looking to buy in. So what I'm looking for is pretty much 2 weeks that have the same touch. So currently we have none. I will show you the first one just to confirm what an area of support and resistance level is for me. So if you look at these 2 wicks here, you could say 3 really. So you look at that wick, we actually rejected off that wick there, rejected off it there, and rejected off it there. More touches and more confirmations tells me that is a valid area of monthly, which would be support at current levels. So that is a key level down there. I can't see us going back down there, to be honest, but you just got to mark them up just in case. And we've got no other monthly levels higher really. It's been from that pump that we had in July, it were pretty savage. So we will probably get some decent levels back in when we do the monthly and the weekly. Sorry. So that is I don't think we've got any more. I'm not going to put any lower. So we'll drop into the weekly time frame. And again, we'll work its way from top and just see what we can spot and see if we've got any key areas of support or resistance. Working his way down, we've got one, no, it's not quite. I think we've got one around here somewhere. I've seen it before. That one there. So if you look at this wick here, we actually rejected off that, come our way down, bounce off support, come all the way through, and we're rejected off it there. So that is an area of weekly resistance at current point. As you see, we've been through it, but we actually rejected out of that area, so we're sitting below it at current times. Moving further down, see if we can get any further. We've got one there. So if you look at that wick, we actually rejected off it there and rejected off it on that wick, so that is another level of weekly support at current levels. I'm just going to put a couple lower just in case the market turns sour. I can't see it though because the market's starting to pick up the last few weeks. That looks like a level there. So we bounced as support and then we rejected off it. So I think that's... tell you what, we'll see if we can get one more a little bit lower just in case. We've got one there. So we actually just support there and support there. So that's some key levels of weekly support at current levels. And now we'll drop into the daily, and this is where we're going to do pretty much most of the TA, and we will get some key levels in here. So as you can see, since 13th of March, we had a Bitcoin dump and all the markets followed it. That was a COVID-19 dump when everybody went into lockdown. And ever since then, we've been on a massive rise. The DeFi sector, like I said at the beginning, has been unbelievable. So if you take that bottom wick down at $1.31, or up to the highs of around $20, look at that for a move. We've done a 1,430% price raise, which is absolutely massive. And I honestly think we've got a lot more of this to come. A lot of alts have done this, but a lot of alts have also retraced. Before I just plot some support and resistance levels on a daily, I just want to show you what's potentially gone on here. So if I'm ever looking to invest in a project and it's done quite a substantial move, I look to invest at the Fibonacci levels at the 618 levels. So I'm going to just put the Fibonacci in here from the bottom of that entire move all the way up to the top, and then this is the top here, so it's close to a double top. And as you can see here, we've done a 61% retracement. That's where I'd look to buy. So I think that could have been really the potential best area to buy in around here. We have been down there twice. We actually fell through it. There must have been some support there. We'll just have a look at it on the daily in a second. But that would have been the key area to buy in there, in my opinion. So what I want to do next up is just get rid of that Fibonacci, because if you just look at the current state of play, we're actually in quite a I'm not really into trends, but if you look at that, we are trending up. So that could give you a good indication that we're going to eventually potentially pop down here and then pop back up. But like I say, I don't really do with trend lines, and I pretty much invest on Fibonacci and support and resistance levels. So we'll just plot a few daily levels, because we've not really got any levels on a daily, and we'll just work his way down and see what we've got. Right, so nothing there at a minute. You could say there's one there, to be honest. If you look at them two wicks, wrong tool, go back to my horizontal array. There we go. So if you look at these two wicks here, we actually rejected off that area twice, so that confirms it's a daily level of resistance at current prices. And let's work his way down, because I do think that we're going to get quite a few more of these. This one here, that is a level, a daily resistance. We've not got a million miles of data here, because, like I say, we had this massive pump from pretty much July onwards, and so we've really only got 4 months of data up at these levels. It's enough though, it's definitely enough. And I think we've got one there, so that, I think that will do for levels, and that will give us some areas to target in the future. I do think that all-time highs will be broken. So first of all, let's just put a little bit of a bearish scenario on it. We've got quite a lot of levels here, and what I want to do is potentially look for some areas of investment, and we're currently trading up and around this weekly support at $13.44. We have dropped around $13.20. If you're looking to buy in Chainlink, I think this could be a good area at this weekly support level, down at around $12.40. If we get there, the market could pretty much turn flip round. We have seen a few days of red across all markets, but I think that could be a good area to buy in. As you can see, we've been doing quite a significant pattern like this, so the potential is to come down here and then go up again. So that is a bearish scenario. If you're looking to invest, I think they're around $12.30 on the weekly support could be a good area to buy in. But if we need to look at this in a bullish perspective, then what we need to do is close the daily candle above $13.36 and then flip this area of daily resistance at $4. You could say it's pretty much $15. If we do flip this level to support, then these are the next areas to target. There's not much in the way in terms of resistance, really. You would look at the key psychological areas of $15 and $20 as the next targets, really, in my opinion. So what we need to do is look at potential areas there, and then if you're looking for a bullish scenario, then I think we need to start flipping these levels to support. Once we flip this level at $15 on the nose to support, then we will remain this bullish uptrend, and these are the next levels. I don't think we're a million miles away from all-time highs now. I mean, even if you look at it as a percentage raise from current prices, it's not a massive amount. It's 52%, and that in crypto is absolutely nothing. That could happen in a couple of days candles and leave people in dust. So just be wary that things can go up as much as it can go down. So you want to take as much as that in you can and invest when you can, and don't be fighting over pennies, because if you're looking at this price here and thinking $13.17 and you actually want to invest and but I'm not going to invest till it goes down to here, then don't watch for pennies. Just invest what you can when you can, and then hold long term, because I do think that cryptocurrency is here for a long time. I'm very bullish on crypto, and I do think that we're in for a good ride over the next few years. We are way overdue a bull cycle, and I think we're on the cusp of that now. So buying at these levels around here could be very, very rewarding in the future. So that is my analysis for today. I'm not going to do it in a BTC pair, and I don't trade in BTC, so I'll do that in the Tether format. So there are some key levels for you to target. Flip this level to support for $14-15. If we break this daily resistance up at, you could call it $17, I will readdress this video and do some further analysis and identify some other key levels once we start making them. Obviously, once we're getting up to it, it is unknown territory, and we're on price discovery after that. So I think that will do it for today's video. Like I say, $17, I'll do another video. If we start to drop and come down to some of these levels, I can't see it, to be honest, but if we start coming down towards $10, again, I will readdress this video. So there are two key points where I'm going to pretty much do some further analysis. If we get some, I'm guessing it's going to be up here first. So thanks very much for listening. Please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. The link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. So thanks very much for listening. I'll catch you next time.